Governor Gina Raimondo has ordered workplace break rooms temporarily closed amid an uptick in coronavirus cases. Good evening, I'm Mike Montecalvo.
And I'm Shannon Heggie. The governor said the virus is being spread in break rooms without windows and through unmasked small gatherings inside private homes.
We have in-depth team coverage of the coronavirus situation here in Rhode Island. Brandon Truitt is in Pawtucket with why the teachers union there is asking for an apology from the governor.
But first, 12 News reporter Anita Buffoni joins us with what the governor had to say about rising cases and some new guidance. Anita?
Hi, Shannon and Mike. Workplaces will soon look a little different. Governor Gina Raimondo now ordering the closure of break rooms in offices for 90 days after contact tracing indicated small break rooms without windows have contributed to case spreading.
It's a casual atmosphere like a break or lunchroom when guards are down that is leading to the spread of coronavirus. The governor is now temporarily closing break rooms in offices, but this does not include large cafeterias.
Employers, I'm asking you to find alternative, safer ways than small break rooms in order for your employees to take a break and take a rest.
It is small social gatherings that are causing the uptick in cases, which is why the governor is cracking down on Halloween parties and is discouraging travel out of state for Thanksgiving. State police will be tripling their patrols on Halloween, and local police will also be on the lookout for large parties. The governor is asking trick-or-treating to happen during the day and to keep it to small groups.
So let's have fun, let's trick-or-treat, let's do it safely, but let's limit the amount of time that we do it for and try to get in the house before it gets dark out.
The health department says the main message ahead of any gathering like Thanksgiving is to wear a mask and social distance.
But if mom, grandmom, friend comes to visit in your home, wearing the mask is the default.
Asymptomatic testing has been expanded. Raimondo is encouraging close contact workers and those who recently attended large protests to get a test free of cost, even if you are not feeling symptoms.
Now, the uptick in cases and hospitalizations is a wake-up call to Rhode Islanders, the governor said, but she is explaining that the point of is not to start a second wave, but it could become that if regulations are not followed. I'm Anita Buffoni, 12 News.
For most part, the governor admitted today that she is, quote, out of levers to pull since most of the spread is happening in small gatherings.
But she did announce a new restriction for workplaces. 12 News reporter Anita Buffoni tells us about it. Anita?
Hi, Shannon and Mike. Contact tracing indicated small break rooms without windows have contributed to cases spreading. So as a result, Governor Gina Raimondo is ordering the closure of break rooms in offices for 90 days.
Changes are coming in the way you take your lunch or coffee break at work. Employers will need to make alternative spaces available to workers for breaks because it's the small rooms without windows contributing to cases spreading.
It's when you're in a casual atmosphere like a break room that we all get a little bit relaxed and we're seeing a rise in spread in cases.
Raimondo made clear breaks are not being discouraged. It's just a change of where they will take place. The governor focused a lot on the holidays, Halloween being one of them. Trick-or-treating will be allowed, just with some changes.
We'd like trick-or-treating to start and end before it gets dark.
Costume masks are not sufficient. The governor says it must be a face cloth covering and worn even while outside. There will be a crackdown on Halloween parties. State police will be tripling their patrols and local police will be on alert.
If you do have a party, you can be fined $500 per person at your party, and individuals at your party can be fined.
Asymptomatic testing has been expanded, the governor asking employees in high-contact industries like teachers and waitresses to get tested even if they aren't feeling symptoms. And although there is an uptick in cases and hospitalizations, the governor says they have it under control.
Do you think this is the start of a second wave?
I hope not. It's in our control, Anita. That's the bottom line. This could easily become that.
And with Thanksgiving quickly approaching, the governor says more guidance will come next week. But Raimondo is encouraging Rhode Islanders to stay local for the holidays and wear masks while around family. I'm Anita Buffoni, 12 News.